Hello, my name is Sampath Ranasinghe. I'm the product manager for Group Geo, and today we'll take a look at the 15.9 outlook for the group. Let's take a look at moving existing data types into the self-service framework. This has been a long-running task for us to move the existing legacy data types into our new self-service framework. We had two outstanding data types to move across, namely projects and wikis and design repositories. We've made good progress in the last milestone on both of these items, and we're looking forward to wrapping this up in this milestone. As part of the ongoing work here, we will see additional capabilities arriving for the other data types that are within the self-service framework as we enhance the self-service framework to bring in the capabilities that were available for projects and wikis. Some of the capabilities include being able to search by keyword through the objects. So that's moving projects and wikis and design repositories to the self-service framework. With that effort, we will be concluding the migration to the self-service framework, and we will have 100% of the geo data managed via the self-service framework. Next is the fixing the timeouts when pushing via SSH to a secondary site. Currently, there is a 60-second timeout related to this operation. And this affects customers with large push requests that are accelerating their remote users using Geo. This likely requires some architectural changes and a fair amount of work on our side with respect to Geo. So we're going to start off with a proof of concept that will proxy the SSH connection to the primary site. And we'll evaluate the success of this proof of concept, and we will decide on what next steps are based on the outcomes. We also have migrating Geo away from using rename Repository RPC. This is a RPC that is part of the Gitlab APIs, and the calling of this RPC has negative effects on the Gitlab code itself, Gitlab side, and therefore we are looking to move Geo away from this RPC. Geo performs the rename repository after the initial clone of a repository when the secondary site begins replication. This should help with performance impacts related to renaming. Next up is deprecating node in favor of site. Again, this is a lower priority item, but we do want to get out of the switch or conclude the switch from a node to site. In this context, the term node now denotes a single server, and a site being a collection of one or more nodes running a single GitLab application. We have a couple of configurations and in APIs that still carry the node connotation. We will be looking to update those as part of this milestone. And then finally, we are looking to support multiple databases in support of decomposition. The database team or the scalability team at Gitlab helped split the primary database into two separate databases, main and CI. This helped improve the scalability of the database itself. In this milestone, we hope to be working on supporting multiple databases inside of a single Postgres instance. We will be making progress towards this end. However, we are awaiting completion of some work related to PG Bouncer that will allow us to test a multi-node setup. In particular, we're targeting the 3K reference architecture, and once the particular issue related to the PG bouncer is concluded, we will pick up the testing again with respect to multi-node setups. And then to conclude, we have a number of bugs and some miscellaneous items that we hope to work on as well. We made good progress on squashing a number of bugs in the previous release, and we will be looking to do the same in this release. And that concludes the 15.9 Outlook for Group Geo, and I look forward to seeing you next time.